So, a very good evening, everyone. This is the final day of my systems trading challenge that I had taken on YouTube. This is actually to show everyone that it can be done by anyone. And once you have a good system in your hand, and if you just repeat the process, till the end, then you will end up making money. And there is no one that can stop you there. So let's discuss about today's trade. We opened absolutely flat from yesterday. This is yesterday's candle, this first candle, and I mean there is nothing else to explain here. Today, markets were like absolutely sideways, and it went into like so. So is this Reliance? Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this is Finnifty, and so I'm going to explain you Finnifty and Nifty both, because these two had completely different structure today. And Nifty basically it opened quite in a huge gap up, like close to 66 points, and then immediately after one candle it made a mid value of 27. And if we select this midpoint, we made a low of close to 20 points and we made a high of close to 30 points. So this is the state of the markets that we are in today, in these days. Okay, so a very less number of stop losses were hit, but yes, there were some stop losses, because as I have said, right, like when the markets are sideways, my delta trades will suffer. So some delta trades which are taken here in this region, this was like call and put gone. Another ones that were taken here, the delta trades, like after this time everything failed. All right, so yeah, that's for one thing. And Nifty stayed like absolutely sideways. Even like Finnifty was kind of like showing some direction today. Like we opened close to 0.2% gap up, and then we started to fall and reached a minimum of 0.4%. That's nothing again, but yeah, it was like kind of a direction, like sideways and then direction and then this fall. But this particular recovery actually gave me a shocker today. My profit actually fell down in this particular candle, as I had seen. So with this particular, I mean, it all ended up like quite nicely in the end, and I managed to book close to 4,900. That is 0.25% on my capital. So let me show you the PNL chart. So this was the fall, okay, and again this was the sideways move, and this was the green candles that were made. Okay, sorry, this was the red candle, and this particular thing was the green candle. So I hope that you got a lot of learnings from the videos that I have made. And for this thing, for the update, I have got like 115 responses till now, and let me see like in how much time I'm going to announce the results, because I have to go through each and every number that are fed. And congratulations to these 57 people. They have like attempted and made all the questions, like attempted and got all the questions right. So out of these 115 people, I'm going to select 10, and none of these numbers are going to affect those numbers. So if you have answered all wrong questions also, you don't need to worry. Okay, but if you have played around, like trying to play around in these questions, in these last 3 questions, then I'm sorry, you won't be selected in that case. So I'll be taking 10 people, and my target is to make everyone profitable in one particular month. Like everyone should be profitable in one particular month. So it's not like 5 are profitable in July and then another 5 in June. So all 10 should be profitable in one given month, because I'll be helping you to get or design your strategy as per your capital. So the basic logic of all the strategies would be same, but ultimately all of you should end up making money if in any one particular month. So if July is a bad month for one, then it will be a bad month for everyone, and even me. So let's see how it turns out. And today is the last video, so that's why I just wanted to take this video a little bit longer. And from tomorrow, I'll be trying to. I mean, just comment in this comment in the comment section that if you want me to continue for like 2-3 more days, because I can again make those videos for 2-3 days, but it's very tough for me, to find some time every day, and then keep the editing part and upload it on YouTube. So it's very cumbersome task. So that's why I'm planning to stop it. So I thank you all, like to all the persons who have commented and liked my videos and subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you liked my materials or the daily explanations of the daily video, then you can just share it with your friends and encourage them towards system trading. Okay, so another thing, in this whole period, okay, you can just go ahead and add up all my PNL values. It's close to 1.8 lakh rupees on a 20 lakh rupees capital. So 50 days means in 2 months I made close to 1.8 lakhs. So that's it for today. Let me come back. I'll come with some informative video, but not the daily trade report that I have been given. So I hope that you all will take care of yourself, and if you have any doubts regarding systems trading, my Telegram channel, my YouTube channel, everything is like 24/7. It's open for you. You can just ping me anywhere, and then I'll be very happy to help. So thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.